So children, good morning. We are discussing about the divisibility rules now. So in the remaining rules about divisibility test by 3, divisibility test by 9, divisibility test by 11, 12 and 15. Very easy concept children. So try to understand this. So divisibility test by 3. So for the divisibility test by 3 and 5 both are 3 and 9 both are equal. What that means? First we have to add the given number all the digits. For example 1, 3, 4, 5. Whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, that we have to check. So for that have to add the digits of the given number. It means 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Separately we have to add all the digits. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Is 13 is a multiple of 3? No. In 3 table 13 is a not divide. Even for the 9 also same concept. After adding the digit, if that sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then only it will be divisible by 9. Is in 9 table 13 can be divided? No. So 3 and 9 both are having the same concept. What the number they will be give? That all the digits you have to add. And if the total of the digits is divisible by 3, then only it will be divisible by 3. If the total of digits divisible by 9, then only it will be divisible by 9. Okay, very easy concept. Now write everyone rule. Open your Max classwork book. Write heading divisibility test by 3. Okay, divisibility test by 3. Now write the rule. A number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3, comma, if the sum of all its digits, if the sum of all its digits, if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Okay. Example you can make. I am taking example from your exercise textbook page number 84. The first sum D. The first one I am taking children. In the page number 84, D1, the first 1732. Okay, solution. Okay, 1732 now. Add all the digits of 1732. So 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 10, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So write down. 13 is not a multiple of 3. So 1732 is not divisible by 3. Remaining all sums also have to do like that only. How much big the number it will be, but you have to follow the same process. Okay, now next heading divisibility test by 9. For that, same formula will be, what is that? A number is divisible by 9, comma, if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. This is the divisible test by 9. Example. For this also, I am taking textbook page number 84. The first number is section E, first number 89351. 89351. Okay, solution. Same, add all the digits of 89351. So 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. Okay, now write down. 26 is not a multiple of 9. So 8, 9, 3, 5, 1 is not divisible by 9. If the total it get 27, definitely it will be divisible by 9 because 27 is a multiple of 9, isn't it? 3 9s are 27. So it got 26. So as it get the 26, it is not divisible by 9. So remaining sums of page number, textbook page number 84, section E, remaining 4 sums are there. So based on this concept only, you have to do. For all the sums, no children, you don't need to write the definition. Just only solution steps I told no, that have to write. That's it. Now coming to the next one about the divisibility test by 11. Okay, divisibility test by 11. For that, write down if a number is divisible by 11, number is divisible by 11, comma, find the sum of by 11 sum of digits in odd places minus sum of digits in even places is equal to 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, so now look at the board how to do this sum. Example. For this also I am taking the sum from textbook page number 84. The first one 192,808. 192,808. This is the number which is given in your textbook page number 84, section F. Okay, so the first, what is asking? Sum of digits in odd place, sum of digits in even place. Okay, so from your ones place onwards, divide the numbers as a odd numbers and even numbers. So one is odd number, first one. Second one even number, odd number, even number, odd number, even number. Instead of writing the place values, divide the numbers into odd and even. Now write all the odd numbers. Solution: sum of odd numbers is equal to, what are the numbers in odd numbers? Odd number place children? 8, 8, 9. So 8 plus 8 plus 9. Add this on. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Next, sum of even numbers. Even numbers is equal to, even numbers are 0. So don't write 0 plus, first 1 plus 2 plus 0. What is the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 0? 3 is the answer. Do the subtraction. 25 minus 3 is equal to 2 and 2. What is the difference we got children? 22. Is 22 is a multiple of 11 or not? Yes. How many times? 2 times. In 11 table 22 divide 2 times, isn't it? So like this, do the addition of odd numbers and subtract and even numbers, and the total have to do the subtraction. The total we got the 0. Definitely that number is going to divide with 11. If the total got like today 22, we get to like that only in 33, 44, 77, 88 like that. Multiples of 11 are there means even that also divided by 11. If the total, if the difference is like 21, 36 like that it came, or the remainder will be 1 like that is there means it will be not divided by 11. So now write the conclusion. Therefore, the difference of sum of odd and even numbers is 22. It is as 22 is a multiple of 11 comma 192,808 divisible by 11 by 11. Okay, like that have to do. And remaining sums of page number 84, remaining 4 sums are there, that also have to do using the same concept. Okay. Next, divisibility test by 12. A number is divisible by 12. When it will be divisible? If the number divisible by